sleep. Another club. Buzz. Club. Eat. Another club. Drink. Sleep. Smoke.
What's that song?
I don't know.
Other palace.
Welcome you safely to Puerto Rico. The local time is 11:42. We'll be taxiing to the criminal court in a moment. Please remain seated. If you have your phone accessible from your seat, feel free to contact your friends or one colleague for another chance to land safely. Personal items in your luggage shirt and soda and have a final note at the gate. Once at the gate, use caution.
You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. It's people like not leave her out. Fuck you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too, but not like you. Shit, baby, I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin' too. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
Hey YouTube! Guess where we're live recording at? Puerto Plata. Alright, not Puerto Plata. But we in Puerto Rico, y'all. Anyways, y'all, so as you guys can see on the title, this will be a vlog with me and Genesis in Puerto Rico. You guys will be with us on our adventures. Today, right now, we're so tight because we're so hungry, but we have to go to Walmart and all the Ubers keep canceling on us. Jen, tell them about how they keep canceling on us.
I don't really care for the Ubers. I'm just really hungry.
I'm starving.
Uber Eats, do they have that here?
Oh, do they? If they do, we just might have to because we're starving. And today's supposed to be our beach day, our beach and dinner day. So, you know, y'all will, of course, see more of that. So I'll see you guys when we're like getting ready and stuff. Say hey to Joe.
Hey, Chiquilies.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. So, bye.
The Puerto Rican Day Parade floating. That Benz Marina Del Rey coasting. She be Puerto Rican Day Parade waving. Last month I helped her with the car payment. Young and we alive. We never gonna die. I just taught the trick to fly of a personal jet. Put one up in the sky. For all my Southside niggas that know me best, I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous. I made that bitch famous. For all the girls that got dick from Kanye West. If you see him in the streets, give him Kanye's best. Why?
Alright, so now we're about to go to the beach. Then after that, we have kayaking at 5. And then after kayaking, we're going to the club. So, and we're going to have mad fun. I cannot wait. Tori got me this. I got her this hat for Christmas. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. We're going to the beach, y'all. Why is she walking like that? Okay, y'all, we just came back from the beach. Now we're on our way to kayaking. We got our paddles. We just put on our life jackets. Kayaking. I don't know if y'all can see my shoes though. Say hey, y'all. We paddling.
We're paddling and I need to pee so bad.
So we gonna record. I don't know if we're gonna be able to even record. I didn't get it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to even record on the kayak.
You have to post my pics. You
But
do.
we about to post Jen's pics. So.
Alright guys, we're doing orientation.
Okay. So go with your partner, whatever your partner is.
Partner. One in front of that. Who's in front? Whoever chooses.
So to begin, we're gonna grab the paddle like this. This,
Yeah.
so no go in your paddle, you should be able to read it. If you're not reading anything, you have a back. Go forward, it's not that hard. The water back.
Yeah.
Don't smack anybody, please. You gotta follow, you don't have one, but you have you gotta follow
Me and they already in sync. Don't fuck around.
Yeah, we gotta be in sync too, bro. That's the best kayaker.
Even if I pee on myself.
when you pedal backwards, you go forward. If you pedal forward, you go backwards.
Your things are back. No, it's not.
Everything in the water is an opposite. But if you're gonna turn either side, it's an opposite.
So if I'm going to the left, I gotta put my right pedal down.
If we're going to the left, you hit the right.
Okay, gotcha.
Wait, what? Say that one more time.
It's opposite.
If you wanna go one, if you wanna go to our right, I mean our left. Wait, got you.
You push from one way to the other.
You turn the other way. So how do we turn though? So this is front way. It's him like.
When you do kayaking, you use my day?
Look at Nay and Joe.
I guess so, yeah.
So you guys are gonna get the kayak.
Okay.
It's because I can't get the other side.
Okay. Wait, I'm in front or back?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuss. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you
Woo! Today was mad crazy. But now we got ready. After kayaking, we got ready, and now we're on our way to the club. I think we're supposed to be going to this place called, but we're not going there no more. We're going to another place because this other place looks more fun, and it got like the songs that we listen to. So that's the best part. And now it's, but on this strip it's like mad clubs, like, so honestly if we even find another one, probably gonna go in there too. I just don't know the name of the one that we was gonna go with, but yeah, so I'll see y'all probably in there so y'all can see it and see what it look like. Oh, I got straight out of OOTD. So Jen got on a graphic tee, I got on this top that I tied the front. I got these leather shorts on, then got these jean shorts on, and then our footwear. I I got on platform slides and Young got on her sixes. Y'all see it? Oh my God, these puppies don't know how to drive.